In this video, I'm going to compare Wealthy Affiliate versus Affiliate Secrets 3.0 by Spencer Mecham. So both of these courses are designed to teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing, but the way they do it is quite different and the focus is also quite different. So in this video, I'm going to compare each course or program across 6 different categories. I'm going to talk about the focus, so what they focus on, the size and quality of the community around each course, the age, so how long it's been around, the pricing structure, and at the end, I'm going to give you my final verdict for each course. So let's get started. Now, first of all, both Wealthy Affiliate and the Affiliate Secrets 3.0 focus on affiliate marketing, and it's great for beginners, and they also both teach you how to do blogging. But Affiliate Secrets 3.0 also teaches more advanced strategies such as paid ads, and you can really think of Affiliate Secrets 3.0 as a really comprehensive marketing course. So instead of only teaching a few specific skills like ranking websites for search traffic, which is what Wealthy Affiliate's doing, Spencer Mecham, the super affiliate who actually created Affiliate Secrets, this guy, he actually covers pretty much every aspect of digital marketing that you could need to start a successful online business, such as coming up with a niche, finding proven products, building a web presence, selling to an audience, leveraging automation, and scaling to the moon. The traffic generation module itself is so long and it's so packed with information that it could easily be its own separate course. But while Wealthy Affiliate mainly focuses on blogging and SEO, and that's what they teach, Affiliate Secrets is a more pure affiliate marketing course that gives you more advanced strategies, like I mentioned before. So let's talk about the learning experience for each one, how easy it is to follow along. Both Wealthy Affiliate and Affiliate Secrets 3.0 offer video lessons that you can follow along, but the structure and how easy it is to follow along, it's not as clean and nice. The UI looks really bad on Wealthy Affiliate and just not a good experience, whereas on Affiliate Secrets 3.0 it's actually step-by-step videos like you've seen in other courses, and it's really easy and simple to follow along. While Affiliate Secrets 3.0 is great for complete beginners, but unlike Wealthy Affiliate, it's also great for advanced marketing strategies such as driving traffic and converting sales. Personally, I find Wealthy Affiliate, like I said, is kind of cluttered, so it's not really that easy to follow along. Like when you log in, when I first logged in, I wasn't sure like what to do. There's just like stuff everywhere on the screen. So like, do I like watch these videos, or do I go through this stuff here, or do I have to focus on this blue banner here? Like, it was kind of overwhelming for me. Whereas with Affiliate Secrets 3.0, like the link is in the description, if you actually check it out, it's much easier to follow along. So on Affiliate Secrets 3.0, if you actually sign in, it's going to look like this on the screen. You're just going to have a bunch of chapters and different modules on the side, and you can just watch the videos and follow along step by step. Now let's talk about the community of both Wealthy Affiliate and Affiliate Secrets 3.0. So Wealthy Affiliate has excellent community support. They have one of the largest online communities in the entire affiliate marketing and blogging space. They have over 2 million active subscribers. Now, the exact size of the community on Affiliate Secrets 3.0 is unknown, but it's probably nowhere as big as Wealthy Affiliate. But see, the downside of having such a huge community on Wealthy Affiliate, where literally anyone can talk to anyone and they can make community posts and anyone can respond, is that a lot of people, all these inexperienced marketers who sign up just like you or me, they're going to share bad advice. They're just going to tell you random stuff. And if you're a complete beginner and you sign up and you use the community, you ask questions, you can't really be sure that you're getting good advice, because the person who's giving you advice could be just as much of a newbie as you. Now let's talk about the tools, or the different softwares and things that are offered for each platform. So Wealthy Affiliate is actually a massive company, so they've got teams of software developers. And so, they've got also all sorts of really good tools that they build in-house. such as, like web hosting and website builders and things like that. And Affiliate Secrets doesn't actually offer their own tools or software, but it's purely educational. It's just a course. It teaches you how to be a successful affiliate marketer, and it tells you the different tools and software that you actually need to use inside the course. So they refer tools that you can use like email autoresponders and funnel builders and stuff like that. But Spencer isn't like a software engineer, so he hasn't actually built any of these himself. But it also doesn't matter because there are great tools out there that you can get started with anyway. And Spencer's going to tell you exactly what you can use for each task. Now, as far as the age goes, Wealthy Affiliate is actually one of the oldest affiliate marketing communities and platforms in the world. It's been around since 2005, whereas Affiliate Secrets 3.0, while newer, was founded by Spencer, who was actually an affiliate marketing expert. So Spencer Mecham, this guy is actually the first person to win the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award, and he did that by generating over $1 million in commissions from recommending ClickFunnels. So he's a pretty big affiliate marketer, and you can find out all sorts of stuff about him on YouTube. He has a pretty big channel called Builderpreneur, and so you can check that out. He definitely knows what he's talking about. So even though he hasn't been around, like this course hasn't been around for nearly as long as Wealthy Affiliate, that really shouldn't take away from his credibility. As far as pricing goes, Wealthy Affiliates has a completely free plan that anyone can get started with. So you get a bunch of stuff included. You get a practice website, you get some software, a little bit of support, you get some training and classes like the stuff right here, these videos you can watch. Where was it? Like this stuff right here. These are all free. Of course, you have to upgrade for some of the more advanced stuff, but it's pretty affordable. It's not super expensive. Whereas Affiliate Secrets 3.0 requires a one-time payment. So it's a one-time payment of $14.97 at the time that I'm creating this video. And there might be discounts available from time to time. If you don't have the $14.97, you can also make 3 payments of $600 or 8 payments of $197. Now, the quality and the amount of information in this course is absolutely insane. So I definitely think it's worth $14.97 for people who can afford it. But I wouldn't take out credit card debt or something for it. So overall, I would recommend Wealthy Affiliate for people that are on a budget and they're willing to do all the work themselves. So if you just want to test the waters before spending any money, then Wealthy Affiliate has a free plan that is perfect. And I've included a link to it in the description. So you're going to learn the basics of building a niche blogging website, and you can even set up a practice website directly through the Wealthy Affiliate platform. But if you have more money to spend, you're looking to learn more advanced marketing strategies, or you're simply looking for a faster path to start making $5,000 or $10,000 a month in profit, then you really can't go wrong with Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 3.0. They've got tons of student results and testimonials. So not only are you going to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, but he'll teach you how to scale it and get it to the next level. So I hope you found this comparison useful. The links to both Wealthy Affiliate and Affiliate Secrets 3.0 are in the description below. Thanks for watching.